Welcome to the GLAC Studios Oil Painting Tutorial. I'm Gomati Sivasankaran, founder, CEO of the Guiding Light Art Company, building bright futures through art and yoga. Today we start this oil painting exercise from scratch to paint Vijaya Lakshmi. And this is one of the 8 sets of tutorials that I have made, 8 sets of paintings that I have made. Called Attracting Abundance. Attract Abundance with Vijaya Lakshmi is what you will be painting. This painting is coming from an idea that is very traditional in India. It's called the Goddess Lakshmi, and this Lakshmi goddess is represented as represented in 8 different forms. They are, in fact, representing all the positive propensities of life. And this particular Lakshmi is representing victory, success. Vijaya refers to victory, success. And what I did was to take the good old traditional images and give that a twist with girl children as the key personalities instead of women goddesses. And the girl children are coming from 8 different countries to represent or celebrate diversity. So this series of paintings that are celebrating diversity. You have chosen this particular painting that is a goddess of success, and it's an American girl that I have chosen, and I used references of jewelry that is Native American to work on this painting. A lot about this painting will teach you not just about oil painting, but also will take you through this journey of building your own style using multiple references that could be completely different from one another. How do we connect the dots and how do we build a new storyline? How do we celebrate diversity? How do we empower girl children in any form? I think this exercise is going to put you on a journey, on a trajectory to exploring more, to wanting to push your limits more. And that's what you will experience in this 11 classes that I have shared with you in this tutorial. I hope you are feeling inspired and feeling motivated to give it a try and succeeding with the goddess of success. Stay blessed, stay motivated, stay inspired, stay happy, stay healthy, stay curious, because you are not just going to be the best artist, but also going to be this global citizen that is embarking on a journey to celebrating diversity, empowering girl children at the same time. Good luck. Thank you.